Welcome to this coastal modern eclectic house, a stunning blend of coastal living and eclectic design. This home invites you to relax and unwind, offering spaces that effortlessly combine natural beauty with modern comforts. From the calming sounds of the ocean to the eclectic mix of materials and textures, join us as we explore this unique space, where coastal charm meets eclectic elegance. As we enter, we are immediately embraced by a sense of lightness and openness. The foyer sets the tone for the rest of the house, with its airy feel and soothing color palette. Soft, natural light filters in through large windows, highlighting the inviting textures and clean lines of the design. The space is a gentle introduction to the eclectic nature of the home, where modern minimalism meets coastal warmth. Every detail here is about creating a welcoming first impression, a feeling of being at home as soon as you step through the door. Now, let's step into the living room, a place where openness and comfort converge. This space is filled with natural light, creating an almost ethereal atmosphere. The room flows effortlessly, with comfortable, inviting seating arranged to make the most of the stunning ocean views. Soft, neutral colors and natural textures, like linen and wood, evoke the feeling of a coastal retreat, while eclectic accents, like unique art pieces and unexpected decor, bring personality and warmth to the space. The living room is both expansive and intimate, designed for relaxing evenings with loved ones or quiet moments alone, all while enjoying the beauty of nature just outside. Don't forget to subscribe for more home tours and design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which space you loved the most. As we move into the kitchen, we find a space that's designed to be both functional and inviting. The open layout creates a sense of flow, making it perfect for everything from cooking meals to entertaining guests. Clean lines and a soothing palette of soft blues and whites echo the coastal surroundings, while modern appliances blend seamlessly with natural elements like wood and stone. Open shelving and thoughtful design details invite you to relax and create, whether it's preparing a casual meal or hosting a dinner party. It's a space built for both relaxation and creativity, bringing the heart of the home to life. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining room brings the eclectic design of the home into full view. Here, a mix of styles creates a space that feels both timeless and inviting. The large dining table, crafted from reclaimed wood, anchors the room, while mismatched chairs bring a sense of casual elegance to the space. The large windows allow natural light to pour in, creating a connection to the outdoors. Lush greenery from the surrounding garden spills into the room, adding a touch of nature that complements the eclectic furnishings. Whether it's a family meal, a gathering with friends, or a quiet breakfast, the dining room offers a perfect blend of comfort and style. Next, we enter the master bedroom, a serene retreat designed for rest and rejuvenation. The space is calming and minimalist, with a soft color palette that mirrors the gentle hues of the coastal landscape outside. The bed, with its simple lines and luxurious linen bedding, creates a peaceful focal point in the room. Eclectic touches, like unique lighting fixtures and textured throw blankets, add warmth and personality. This bedroom feels like an escape from the world, a sanctuary where you can unwind and find peace. Large windows frame breathtaking views of the coastline, inviting the natural beauty of the surroundings to enhance the tranquil atmosphere of the space. As we step into the bathroom, we're welcomed by a spa-like atmosphere that evokes the calming rhythms of the ocean. The design is simple yet luxurious, with natural materials like stone and wood, creating a seamless connection to nature. The freestanding bathtub sits as the centerpiece of the room, offering the perfect place to relax while soaking in the serene surroundings. Large windows invite the outdoors in, allowing for beautiful views of the garden or the coast. This bathroom is all about tranquility and rejuvenation, where every element is thoughtfully chosen to provide a peaceful retreat from the outside world. Moving outside, we find the outdoor living space, a perfect extension of the home's coastal charm. Surrounded by lush greenery, the space feels like an oasis. Comfortable seating areas are arranged to face the ocean, offering breathtaking views and a perfect setting for relaxing or entertaining. The eclectic mix of cushions, throws, and natural materials like wicker and wood create an inviting, cozy atmosphere, while the sound of the waves provides a soothing backdrop. Whether it's a quiet evening spent watching the sunset or a lively gathering with friends, this outdoor space becomes an integral part of the home, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The coastal modern eclectic house is a celebration of nature, design, and creativity. Each space is thoughtfully crafted to create a sense of connection to the outdoors while maintaining a feeling of warmth and comfort. Whether it's the relaxed elegance of the living room, the creative mix of styles in the dining room, or the tranquil retreat of the master bedroom, this home is a perfect example of how eclectic design can blend seamlessly with coastal living. It's a place where every room feels connected to the landscape and the rhythms of nature. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we hope this home has inspired you to create a space that feels just as connected, calm, and inviting. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe for more beautiful home tours and design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which space you'd love to call your own. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tour. Take care and happy designing.